Hello, good day. Is King here?
No, him not there, you know.
Is Miss Jen here?
Yeah, she was there, so who I must say?
Tell us, Antonia.
Alright. Tonya, you can come and take it, yeah?
Alright. Miss Jen, Argon.
Walk on, Tanya. Long time I not see you. She gonna dash you up here.
No man, I just do work, you know. I just say me that go pass through because a king will come look for. Me tell him say me I give him a surprise visit.
Him gone on the road and give you some business, you know. I may try get him for the longest while on him phone. I'm not able to reach him.
Oh, Mr. See, I have a new bartender.
Yeah, he's on preparation right now. But Johnny, sit down, look, baby girl. You think you get any taller?
Well, me I try.
Mr. Shepherd, what's that? How old heap? Are you for tell me? Missy, where you did get yourself in a little problem the other day. And it's bubbles there to save you. You know, the truth whisper is that we did see it, you know. But there are certain things that I can't speak on. I just have to let this thing flow.
So Shepherd, you tell me say, you say that and you don't alert me. So me can't even prepare myself.
When me this say to you, me say to you that certain things me have to make it flow. You don't understand this thing in a whisper. If I open my mouth when me not supposed to open my mouth, me might dumb. So me have to allow the thing to flow because it is in situations like these that you will learn and get stronger.
Shepherd, I come this close to lose my life.
Not a life would have lost. You see, the thing is that if me did say something to you, maybe you know that change the pattern and the gunman they would have get well.
No, Vazayas. But I'm not gonna lie to you. It is scary.
It did scare for me too, you know. For a moment. But if I never did see that vision clear, and no say, you would have get out of it, then you would have intervened. I would have called Ansansi Boy.
I appreciate everything I do for you, you know. I'm not gonna lie. Give thanks for that. But that visit here, what the reason?
So Tanya, when you ladies plan to start by the dance program up here, cause someone come up and all the youths come check me and ask me about it.
I bubbles me away upon to finalize it. Cause me think I get sponsorship from tourist board.
That sounds good, baby girl. Cause I try to get some other communities involved. Cause we are promote the unity within the communities.
So basically everything alright to the community. We don't have no war, right?
No man, that is why I tell you say now at the right time to get the youths them involved because I get youths from all of the surrounding communities.
So how about the bartender? You think she's interested for dance?
I can't tell you not, Tonya, because I never see she move her foot yet. But the program is not all about dancing alone, right?
No man, it's about empowerment. But we really want to get the females them involved.
Yeah, Tonya, that needed, especially where they rate a teenage pregnancy in the surrounding communities.
The program we are bring come up here is a mentorship program with reputable people who come talk to them.
That makes sense. because them need the guidance. You want something for drink, Tony?
Yeah, me will take a suck with Jenny.
Jen! Bring a supper, Jen, for Tony and for me, please.
Well, the lily girl. Not my daughter, you know. By the way, how am there? Me not feel no connection recently. How am there?
She get a contract, you know. She up on the carnival preparation team. She do some here for the ladies them.
I can tell that everything alright to do. That's why she not hear nothing.
So like how she show me that vibe, they say, once me and her go, she not hear nothing. I make sure I keep it that way.
Smart move.